Use a trim tool, take these clips off, try to get behind the clip. Just pop it forward. This one's already popped off, and sometimes there. Underneath here, I'm gonna get behind here, being very careful. There's a clip there and there. Other side as well. Then underneath, you're gonna have some clips. Those ones, you're just gonna have to pull with your hand. And pull it off. There'll be a clip right there as well, and right there. On the back side of the grill, take these retainers off. Just use a 10mm socket. Should be 4 of them. Should be another one right there. And then this just slides off. Now take this panel. This is going to go right here. It's going to line up. Take the emblem, line the emblem up, just like that. Flip it over. And we can put those retainers on there. Take the old retainers and just put those on. The 10mm socket, you can tighten these down. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. It's good enough. And use these retainers on the side. Use a 12mm socket. And snug those down. Just snug, that's good. Same on this side. Good. And take these clips. We're going to install those on all those little tabs. They go just like that. Just line them up and push them down. It should line up. And that's it. Those are all on. Now slide it in position, line it up. With it all lined up, just push